That is pretty big.
Jeff, you might have a shaker on there.
Yeah, I see that.
Be a good time to check our stuff anyway. You wanna? Yeah, you got a little guy on there, I'd say. Or you're not bouncing, are you?
No, I shouldn't be.
That was a good pull just there. I'll bring mine up too. Oh, fuck. Had it in there good. There we go. Still feel him? You're still in the downrigger, aren't you? Yeah, cool. Wow, amazing how long that takes to come up. There I am. Get that out of the way. You want to just put it in neutral? Good.
Nice at the bottom fish.
No, I see the flashes.
That's a salmon.
Yeah, that's a salmon.
Oh yeah.
That's actually, that might be a normally illegal size too.
Good eye.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not out of the water yet.
You know what? It is easier fighting them with the holding.
Oh, really? Where is he? That's a nice fish. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty.
Well, let's leave him in the water for
Yeah?
a second.
Okay. Oh, you know, pull your
We're in neutral.
shit. was about to
Yeah, I got the hoop.
to easily get that out would be great. Okay. That's a nice fish. Yeah, I think he's worth a pick.
Alright, how about this? I got the net. You
Yeah.
want to take my phone?
Yeah. Just there he is. Nice looking fella. That's a beauty.
There you go.
Is it ready to go? Okay.
Do you want to... You don't want to take it with the net?
No, I'll have a picture of you with him. Oh, that's a sweet fish, man. 1, 2, 3. And let me take one this way. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And hey, what's just for the video? One more, Jeff? Oh, yeah, that's okay. Ready to go? Yeah, I'm filming.
Take a video?
I'm filming it right now. Oh,
with the GoPro.
okay. I'll do it with this too. Yeah, go for it. That's a nice looking fish.
Come on, buddy.
Wonder how many inches that is. You think that is just on the line of being close to being a keeper?
You want to get that rope out?
No, because you've been handling him for quite a while. It's on the border. It's got an adipose too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a beautiful fish, though. I love their colors.
I don't want to let him go till he has a little more life in him. He's breathing, but he's not really fighting at all.
A little bit stunned. Usually you just give them a shove and then they get it.
Should I give him a shove?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, he just took right off, right?
Yeah.
That's what, I don't know, they kind of understand that. Well, that was cool. Good job, Jeff.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, keep that for the...
Okay, that eagle sees a fish on the surface. It's just over this direction. Let's see if he gets him.
Yeah,
He's coming around, he's getting lower. Yeah. Yeah. He's gonna do it. Here he comes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! He missed it.
Did he?
Well, he didn't even try. He he aborted. Maybe it went a little deeper. Okay, here he comes again. Oh, he's gonna get him this time. Snatch! Got him! Wow. Cool.
Come on, be full. Be full.
Feel that?
Yeah, it's got some weight to it.
This is a big trap.
Oh, there's a couple. No, there's a couple in there. Yeah, that's right there. 3? 4, maybe?
That's kind of good. Those are all quality crabs.
Yeah, I think they're all keepers.
Ah, got in with it there.
I know. Nice. There we go. Oh, it's full.
Need a hand over the rail, or you?
No, I think I'll be good.
Oh, Jesus. Hang on.
Shit.
More variety size.
Yeah, this guy almost got out. Look at that. So close. Not bad.
All right, let's hold that in. Nice.